Lucas gets the new bike. He worked hard this year.
You can use the old one.
That is great, buddy. Hey, Rachel. Did Lucas finish his homework?
Subscribe if you think Ethan deserves better. I think he does.
Ethan, this seat is saved for Lucas. Go sit at the counter.
Dad, I got a perfect score on my science test today. 100%. It is fine. I like eating here. I can read while I eat. Dad, can we play catch on Saturday? Just us. Like we used to.
I have Lucas's soccer game Saturday. Maybe another time, buddy.
My mom left when I was 3. Dad says she had to go find herself. I think she just got lost. But I still have Grandma Rose. And I have my words. Nobody can take those.
Lucas, we got you the new gaming console you wanted.
And the jersey.
And
the new cleats.
Dad, I finished writing my story. I think it might be good. Can you read it?
Not now, Ethan. I have a work call in 5 minutes. Ask Rachel. That notebook is so babyish. Real writers use computers.
Real writers use whatever they have. Shakespeare used a quill. Comment below if you think Ethan's words were powerful. I do.
Rachel, Ethan left his shoes by the door again. Can you deal with it?
Ethan, shoes in the closet, and clean the bathroom before dinner.
Ethan, my darling boy, come in, come in. I made your favorite.
Hi, Grandma Rose. It smells like apple cinnamon.
You remembered. Of course I remembered. I remember everything about you. Now sit and tell me everything.
Grandma, I wrote a story. A real one. 23 pages.
23 pages. Ethan, that is a whole world you built. You have to enter the district writing contest, Ethan. This story deserves to be heard.
What if it is not good enough? What if nobody cares?
I care, and the right people will too. You write truth, Ethan. Truth always finds its audience.
Ethan, can you stay after class for a moment? I want to talk to you about your last essay.
Is something wrong with it? I can rewrite it. I do not mind.
Nothing is wrong, Ethan. This essay is the best piece of writing I have seen from a student in 15 years.
I do not understand. It is just a story I wrote about my dog.
It is not just a story about a dog. It is about loyalty and loneliness and love. You wrote something true. There is a district writing contest next month. First prize is a publishing scholarship. I want to enter your story.
A publishing scholarship. My story. Published.
Will you enter, Ethan? This is your moment. I am sure of it.
Dad, there is a writing contest next month. Mrs. Chen thinks I should enter. She said my writing is...
That sounds good, buddy. Hey, Lucas, Coach Daniels called about the travel team. You made it.
I will write it anyway. I do not need him to believe in it. I believe in it. Page 1. Chapter 1. The Boy Nobody Saw. I write every night from 9 to 11, when the house is quiet and I can hear myself think. On night 14, I wrote something that made me cry. I knew it was real. The story is finished, Grandma. 47 pages. I did it.
47 pages. Oh, my darling boy. Oh, Ethan. Are you going to tell your father about the contest?
I sent him the invitation 2 weeks ago. He has not mentioned it once.
I will be there, Ethan. Front row. I will cheer loud enough for 100 fathers.
Dad, the contest is today at 4 o'clock at Jefferson Hall.
I know, buddy. Lucas has his travel team tryout today, too. We will try to make it.
It is okay. I understand. No, it is not okay. But I am going anyway, and I am going to win.
Ethan, you look so handsome. Front row, just like I promised.
Grandma, there are so many people here. What if I freeze?
You will not freeze. You have been writing this moment your whole life. Go show them.
Mrs. Chen, you came. Of course I came.
Now go up there and read exactly what you wrote. Every single word.
The tryout finished early. Rachel, the GPS says Jefferson Hall is 3 blocks away. It already started. Can you see him? Is that him up there?
Ladies and gentlemen, our first place winner in the junior division, Tuon, Ethan Mercer.
He won. Rachel?
He won first place.
I want to read you the first paragraph of my story. It begins like this. There was a boy who learned very early that some people look right through you. He decided the answer was not to disappear. He practiced being invisible for so long that when he finally spoke, the whole room went quiet to listen.
He is talking about himself, Rachel. That whole story. It is about us. What we did.
The boy in the story never stopped loving his father. He just stopped waiting for his father to notice. And when the boy stopped waiting flirting, that was the day he became free. Hey, thank you.
That boy. That extraordinary boy.
Ethan, son, I am so sorry I almost missed this.
You did not almost miss it, Dad. You were not going to come at all. That story.
Ethan, was that about me?
It was about a boy who had to learn to be his own father. Because his real one was busy.
I thought you were fine. I thought, May. I told myself you were fine.
I was not fine, Dad. But I became fine. I did that part myself. Ethan.
I have been a terrible father. I do not know how to fix it. But I want to try.
Trying is a start. But words are easy, Dad. You taught me that.
He is right, you know. The boy is absolutely right.
Excuse me, Ethan Mercer. My name is Robert Hayes. I was one of the judges today.
I know who you are, sir. You founded Hayes Publishing.
We read about you in school.
Then you know I do not say this lightly. What you read today, of course, that was real literature. From an 8-year-old. I would like to publish your story, Ethan, in our junior imprint. A real book. Your name on the cover.
A real book. My name on the cover.
Also, the scholarship covers your full education through high school. All we ask is that you keep writing.
Keep writing.
I can do that. That is the one thing I know how to do.
Thomas, your son is extraordinary. You must be so proud.
I am. I should have been prouder. Much sooner.
Grandma, I am going to be a published author. A real one.
I always knew, my darling. From the very first page you ever showed me.
Mrs. Chen, thank you for seeing me when nobody else did.
You did the work, Ethan. Every word on every page was yours. I just held the door open.
Can I ask you something, Dad?
Anything. Ask me anything.
Will you read my book when it comes out?
Will you actually read the whole thing?
Every single page. I promise. Cover to cover. More than once.
That night, Dad read the first 3 chapters out loud to me. He cried on page 7. I did not say anything when he cried. I just let him. Some things do not need words. Rachel is trying. It is small things. She asks how my day was now. I answer. Lucas read 2 chapters of my book. He said it was actually pretty good. That is the best review I ever got. My book comes out in spring. Grandma Rose is buying 50 copies. She says she needs them for her friends. She does not have 50 friends. She just loves me. That is better than 50 friends. I want to tell you something important. Being invisible is not the same as being unimportant. Some people will look right through you. That is about them, not you. Never you. Write your story, whatever it is, even if no one asks for it. Especially then. Because one day the right person will read it, and your whole world will change. Now let us review 10 important words from today's story. Ready? Let's go. Word 1, invisible. If you are invisible, people do not notice you. I was invisible for a long time. Word 2, extraordinary. If something is extraordinary, it is far beyond normal. Mr. Hayes called my story extraordinary. Word 3, loyalty. Loyalty means staying with someone even when it is hard. Grandma Rose showed me loyalty. Word 4, confess. To confess means to admit something true that is hard to say. My dad confessed he had been wrong. Word 5, resilience. Resilience means getting back up every time life knocks you down. This whole story is about resilience. Word 6, imprint. A publisher's imprint is a special collection of books. Mr. Hayes published my book in the junior imprint. Word 7, scholarship. A scholarship pays for your education. I won a scholarship for my writing. Word 8, literature. Literature means serious writing that has deep meaning. Mr. Hayes called my story literature. Word 9, ordinary. Ordinary means normal and nothing special, the opposite of extraordinary. Word 10, belong. To belong means to be in the right place with the right people. I finally know where I belong. Did Ethan's story move you? Tell me in the comments. What was your favorite moment? If this story helped your English, please like and subscribe. A new story arrives every single week. I will see you there.